Imagine giving your best to a company for years, and one fine morning your access is revoked. No warning, no mistake, just a mail. We regret to inform you. Today, let's talk about layoffs, the reality nobody prepares you for. Layoffs are when companies reduce employees, not because you performed badly, but because the company is cutting costs, projects are shut down, market conditions changed, or leadership made wrong business decisions. It's very important to understand layoffs are business decisions, not personal failure. The very most common question on everyone's mind now is why do layoffs happen? There are 5 major reasons. The first one is overhiring. Companies hire aggressively during the growth and fire during the slowdown. Next one is economic downturn, recession, funding issues, and low profits. Third one is automation and AI. Roles are replaced or merged due to AI. Fourth one is poor leadership decisions, bad investments, and wrong strategies. Fifth one is mergers and acquisitions. Duplicate roles are removed. Most layoffs happen because of spreadsheets, not skill sets. The emotional reality is that people don't just lose jobs, they lose confidence, identity, routine, financial security, and mental peace. Being laid off feels like rejection, even when it's not. What to do if you get laid off? Step 1. Don't panic. Take 2 to 3 days to process emotionally. Step 2. Fix your mindset. This is a transition, not a termination. Step 3. Update your assets. Resume, LinkedIn, GitHub, or portfolio. Step 4. Skill up fast. Focus on AI tools, BSA, system design, and communication. Fifth step is network smart. Use referrals and cold applications. How to layoff proof your career? You can't control layoffs, but you can control your employability. Here are 5 career insurance rules. Never depend on one skill. Build personal brand like YouTube or LinkedIn. Keep emergency savings for 6 months. Fourth, track market trends. Fifth, always be interview ready. Your real job security is not your company, it's your skills, network, mindset. If you're watching this after a layoff, this is not the end of your story. It's the chapter where you upgrade yourself. Companies lay off employees, but life never lays off warriors. If you want more such real career guidance, tech skills, and mindset videos, do subscribe. Because in this channel, we don't just prepare for jobs, we prepare for careers.